So you're looking for a low-cost townhouse in the first part of Wesley Chapel, the 33543, in a great school zone.
We have found it.
We're constantly getting asked for, hey, we want the Wiregrass High School school zone, but the area is kind of built out in 33543, right? That's the beginning of Wesley Chapel. It's kind of built out, not a whole lot of new construction, but we got something at a very good price point. Stick around.
All right, let's go check it out. So today we are coming from Woodcreek community, which is in the 33543 zip code of Wesley Chapel. We are just over 5 miles from Wiregrass Mall, same to Advent Hospital. So if you are one that needs to commute to work downtown, you're still in a pretty decent commute.
Probably 35 minutes downtown and probably 45 minutes to Tampa International Airport. It's really at the heart of Wesley Chapel. Everything is building up around it. There's no doubt about it.
Right, so we are in the second phase here for Woodcreek. They've done their single family homes and villas which have all sold out. And now we are in their second phase, which is going to be townhomes and single family homes. But today we are going to focus on the Pearson, which is the townhome behind us. Once this community is completed, it's going to have a total of 960 homes. So it's not going to be a massive community, but you're still going to have pool, cabana, tot lot, and like Andre said, a great school location.
Yeah, so school districts, what do they call that? The school district. Those could change anytime, but we are constantly being asked for Wiregrass Ranch High School, and right now, this is it.
Right, so if you're wanting to get into new construction, you can definitely do that here with DR Horton in Woodcreek.
Extremely great incentives, but before we get into that, let's go check out the townhouse.
All right, let's go. Welcome to the Pearson. The Pearson is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome, and all the townhomes here are gonna be Pearsons, and they're all gonna be 1-car garages. So single car garage. All the bedrooms are going to be up with your living area on the lower. So come on in and check out the Pearson. So as soon as you come into the Pearson, you are going to have stairs that are going to lead you to the bedrooms upstairs. Right up front, we are going to have a half bath. So this is going to be perfect for your guests and visitors and yourself, so you don't have to travel upstairs every time you need to use that restroom. And then it's going to open up into a nice spacious area. We have our kitchen here. Everything in Woodcreek is going to have quartz on the countertops, and it's relatively thick. It's not very thin. We're going to have stainless steel appliances. You're going to have your dishwasher, fridge, stovetop, microwave, all included here in the Pearson. They have tastefully done laminate or planking on the floor. And this is throughout the whole first level, so no carpet down here. You're gonna have lots of natural light. As you see, you've got a slider to the rear, and then on these end units, you are gonna have a window on this side. So if you're looking for a lot of that natural, nice and brightness, you are gonna wanna pick an end unit. Now we've got our designated dining area right here next to your kitchen and family room, so you're not gonna miss a beat when you're entertaining. So right next to your refrigerator, you are gonna have your pantry here with 5 shelves on it. And if that's not enough for your storage items, there also is a closet here in the hallway where you can also put your vacuum cleaner, mop, or hang some raincoats. So as soon as you get to the top of the stairs here in the Pearson, we are gonna have another closet. This one's a little bit bigger, perfect for towels, linens, even like games, just anything that you need to hide. We are gonna have the primary bedroom to the front of the home. So again, nice and bright. You can see they've got a king-size bed in here, a walk-in closet, pretty long, and we've got racks here on 3 sides. Again, I love that DR Horton does doors on their closets. We do have an ensuite. This features dual vanity sinks with quartz. We've got some gray shaker cabinets in here and a walk-in shower. Coming out of the primary, we're gonna head across the hall. And here in the hallway, you are gonna have your washer and dryer, which will come with. And we are gonna have bedroom number 2 located here. Now we are at the rear of the townhome. They do have set it up as an office right now, but this is bedroom number 2 with another closet. And let's pop next door and check out bedroom number 3. In bedroom number 3, you can see they've got a twin-size bed with a nightstand and room for a desk in here, and also closet. And shared between these 2 bedrooms, we are gonna have a full bath up here, and this one's gonna have a shower tub combo and a single vanity sink. Into the rear of each townhome, you are gonna have a concrete slab with a divider separating every unit. So if you wanted to come out here, do some grilling, hang out here with your dog, you'll have some privacy.
DR Horton is the only builder in the area that does block on block, so that's fantastic. We are in Florida. The privacy is way better, and we have a lot of homeowners that really like that.
Yeah, and energy efficient because you are keeping it colder.
So the price point here is going to be in the very low 300s, which is phenomenal for the area and for the school zone. The annual CDD is $867.
Yeah, that is unheard of here in Wesley Chapel, especially how close we are to the heart of Wesley Chapel. $867 for the year.
And the HOA is very low at
$192 a month. Again, you're in a townhome, so they're doing the upkeep of the lawn and maintenance of that exterior
all the common
building.
areas.
And you are gonna have amenities. You are gonna have that pool, that cabana, a tot lot. So a lot of green space here. So if you're one that likes to walk for a little while, continuous sidewalks, wanna get in some biking maybe with the kids or some skating, you can definitely do that here in Woodcreek.
The incentives at the moment are phenomenal. They change all the time, so I don't want to go into them. Please reach out to us. They're pretty much going to cover all closing costs, give you a rate reduction, and a lot of other ways that they can help. If you're VA, you can possibly get into one of these with zero money out of pocket. So if you're looking for something in the right school zone, something in a great starter point, price point,
Woodcreek could definitely check all your box. Keep in mind the reps that work inside these models do work for the builder. You would want to come in represented as well. So it doesn't cost you a penny more to use an agent, as the marketing budget that the builders have covers our commission. So you definitely don't want to miss out on those perks.
if this is your first time on the channel and you're finding value, please make sure you like, subscribe, and tap that little bell for notifications so you can get the market updates all around the Tampa Bay area.
So if you do have any questions, drop us a comment below or simply pick up the phone. My name is Debbie Diaz, and this is Andres Diaz with the Diaz Group at eXp Realty. We get calls every day from people just like you, and we absolutely love it. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, because we hope to see you
Around town.
Bye now.